Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I quickly put my hair in a ponytail, and today's video is sponsored by YGwigs. Thanks guys. So let's get inside this box and see what they sent me. Inside the box I do have my ponytail, of course, and they also sent what looks like an entire beauty supply store. I mean, lashes, ponytail holders, scrunchies, clips, instructions in the back. Very good and important. And the ponytail is 20 inches long, kinky straight texture, natural color. I do have extra hardware just in case something breaks, and this is what it looks like. Very simple construction. On top, I have a comb that will attach above my bun, and of course I have one down below that will attach below my bun. Then there is the drawstring to bring everything together. So it's a very simple process when using a drawstring ponytail, and I'm gonna quickly wash my hair even though I don't need to. This is probably some of the cleanest hair I've received in a long time. I'm not kidding. There was no dye runoff, there was no dirt, nothing. The water was clear even after washing. I was like, wow. I mean, I was impressed. Definitely the cleanest hair I've received in a very long time, and this is my natural hair. It's been blown out, and I'm gonna give you guys a tutorial soon. I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair down the middle so that I can do my ponytail. I don't like tying my hair straight back because it just looks weird, so I need some kind of part in there to make it look okay. And this is the ponytail after drying. It is kind of ripply up top like typical kinky straight hair, and it doesn't really match my hair perfectly, but I'm gonna make it work. Next time I think I'll dye it so that it can be a better match. And the blow dryer did not really do much, so I gave that up, and I'm just gonna go right in with some thread. And this will help me tie my hair up. I like doing African hair threading to tie my hair up in ponytails if I want them to stay fixed for days at a time, because once I put my hair in that thread cage, it's not going anywhere. So I just keep wrapping and wrapping and wrapping, and I get tired like halfway through, but I keep going until it's nice and secure. And one thing you can always do if you do African hair threading to tie up your ponytail is make sure, it's kind of hard to see, but make sure the end is knotted so it's easy for you to unravel it when the time comes. So this is my pony puff that needs a trim, and I will trim it soon, I promise. I'm gonna show you guys everything. But first, let me go ahead and put my hair in a twisted bun so that I can have the base for my ponytail. So yeah, just go ahead and twist it, you know, loosely. That's all I'm doing. I'm not really putting much effort into this part because it's not important. I just needed my hair to be blown out because it's very difficult for me to put ponytails on my hair. It gets really poofy because of my texture, but like this is a lot easier. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the hair and put it on, starting up top with the comb. So once I flip the hair on, I put the comb on top and the comb below, secure them and make them comfortable, because that's what's most important, really, is comfort. When I use the drawstring, it will finish securing everything and making everything sit nicely. It'll just bring it all together and wrap around my entire twisted bun, and that's pretty much it. And what I'm going to go ahead and do now is use my Lovely Bees edge control to smooth my hair just a little bit because it's kind of frizzy. But yeah, I don't like sleek ponytails too much because they look weird on my face, and also because they're challenging to keep up with. But this I can keep up with for days at a time and not worry too much. And it's a nice low manipulation, quick hairstyle for those of you who just don't want to deal with your hair too much. And that's all there is for this video. So thank you so much for watching as always, and thanks YGwigs for sponsoring this tutorial. All the details will be in the description box, and I can't wait to catch up with you soon and share my natural hair in another video. So definitely stay tuned, subscribe, take care of yourselves, and I will catch up with you very soon.